Hi, this video tutorial demonstrates the craftiness of the horse in Xiangqi. It also reminds us what fatal weaknesses can be created with a horse stuck in the center of the palace. As shown in the diagram, black is threatening cannon 1 plus 8 checkmate. So red's first move is obvious. Well, certainly not pawn 4 to 5 capturing the elephant and allowing black to free his horse. Black now can only move his elephant. He has two options. We shall deal with e5 plus 3 first. Pinning now the opponent's horse with the king. The elephant has to go to the border. Returning to the center is suicidal, as red has the overwhelming king 5 to 4, following by pawn 4 plus 1 smothered checkmate. With the horse posted here, any move by the black cannon will result in immediate checkmate, as you can see. So, and black has to forfeit his elephant. But can he then gain time to reorganize his pieces? The only winning move at this juncture. The cannon has to stay here to guard against horse 6 plus 7 and horse 6 plus 4 checkmate. But then it ends in a stalemate. Red wins. Let's go back to the beginning. Now let's explore black's second option, moving the elephant to his left. Same pinning tactic. I've explained earlier why the elephant should not return to the center. Now black has to choose between elephant 9 minus 7 and elephant 9 plus 7. Let's look at the first option. Threatening pawn 4 to 5 double checkmate, while black's elephant is unable to cover the center. Capture is forced, and black has no answer to the ensuing horse 4 plus 6 checkmate. This tells us black's elephant 9 minus 7 is a bad move. Okay, let's track back. This time, black will play elephant 9 plus 7 instead. And red continues with similar threat of double checkmate. The elephant came just in time, but sorry elephant, no passport to the old ground. From here onward, red just duplicates the moves in the first variation. Red wins. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Felix Tan. Goodbye.